Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Nissan Juke, stock number 6062. It's ran from 06-2010 to 12-2019. It has a HR16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 1-speed CVT transmission. This is a HR16 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,